Hello students, today we will study maths of class 3. Page number 35. Vertical addition of three numbers. Students, already we have studied about the vertical addition of two numbers. In practice 2.2 आपने देखा था, 2.1 और 2.2 में हमने two numbers के addition किस तरह किए जाते हैं हम ये पढ़ चुके हैं already. अब हम पढ़ेंगे vertical addition of three numbers. The steps for vertical addition of three numbers is same as vertical addition of two numbers. Steps हमारे बिल्कुल same रहेंगे. यहाँ एक example दिया हुआ है. All you can see 1, 2 and 3. 3 numbers के addition. Already यहाँ पर numbers को हमने place value chart में लिखा हुआ है पहले से. अब हमें इसे कैसे add करना है ये हम सीखेंगे. Page number 36, practice 2.3. Question number 1, add the following numbers. Students, you can see here, this is the addition of three numbers, 1, 2 and 3. We have to add this number step by step. पहले हमने 2 numbers के addition सीखे थे, अब हम 3 numbers करेंगे. सबसे पहले देखिए 8 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Then 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11. So 11, 1 we will write here and 1 will go carry over in tens place. Okay. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So 18, 8 will come here and 1 again will go carry over in hundreds place. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. So 13, 3 we will write and 1 will go carry over in thousands place. Then 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So 9 will come here. See, very easy, but you have to do it step by step. पहले आपको 2 numbers को add करना है, then next number you have to add in their sum. Then again we have to don't forget the carry over. Carry को बिल्कुल नहीं भूलना है, उसे भी हमें add करना है. One more question I am doing here. See which question I will do now. I am doing question number C. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 कितना होता है बच्चों? 11 है ना. Then 11 plus 7 is equal to 18. So 8 I am writing here and 1 will go carry over in tens place. है ना. Don't forget the 1. 1 plus 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 0. If we are adding any number in 0, the same number will come. So 15 plus 0, 15 only. 5 I am writing here and 1 will go carry over. Then 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 0, again the same number will come. So 12 I am writing here 2 and 1 will go carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. See, easy, but you have to do step by step. If you are finding any difficulty to doing addition directly, you can draw the lines also. Like see, I am doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then we have to add it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And 8 and 1 carry. Okay. See next question. Question number B, D, E, F is your homework. आपको ये homework करके मुझे इसकी pic लेके send करना है बच्चों in my personal WhatsApp number. Understand? Now question number 2. Chinu's house is 3,434 meters away from Monu's house. Okay. Chinu's house is 3,434 meters away from Monu's house. house. Then Monu's house is 2437 meters away from Sachin's house. The park is 1401 meters away from Sachin's house. Then calculate the total distance from Chinu's house to park. See, one drawing also given here. How we have to find the distance from Chinu's house to the park. See, Chinu's house बीच में मोनू's house है ना, जो कि चीनू का हाउस मोनू के हाउस से कितने डिस्टेंस पे है 3434 मीटर. अब मोनू's हाउस और सचिन्स हाउस के बीच में डिस्टेंस कितना है हमारे पास 2437 मीटर. देन सचिन का हाउस जो है वो पार्क से कितनी दूर है बच्चों 1401 meter. So these three distance we have to calculate in total to get the total distance between Chinu's house to park. Okay? तो चीनू के घर से पार्क तक की डिस्टेंस हमको कैलकुलेट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये जितनी डिस्टेंस हमको दी हुई है उसको हमको टोटल करना पड़ेगा. Distance from Chinu's house to Monu's house 3434 meter. Okay. Then distance from Monu's house to Sachin's house 2437 meter. Then distance from Sachin's house to park is 1401 meter. है ना? So the total distance 4 plus 7 11 plus 1 12. I'm writing 2 here and 1 will go carry over in tens place. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 0 is 7 only. Okay, then 4 no carry over na here, single digit number came, so no carry over. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12. So I am writing 2 here and 1 will go carry over in thousands place. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6 and 6 plus 1 7. So thus the total distance from Chinu's house to the park is 7272 meter. We have to है ना, रिमेंबर द यूनिट. यूनिट क्या है हमारी मीटर. टोटल डिस्टेंस कितने में है बेटा मीटर में. सो वी हैव टू राइट एम हियर. अंडरस्टैंड. सो दिस एक्सरसाइज इज ओवर. है ना, आपको ये जो क्वेश्चंस बचे हुए हैं आपको इसको होमवर्क करके मुझे मेरे पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे इसकी पिक लेकर सेंड करना है. टिल देन बाय.